Are you ready to tell them how to do it, Bob?
That is a great question, Alan, and I am glad that you asked. Welcome back. Grilled chicken and romaine heart salad with lemon vinaigrette and lemon roasted asparagus. This recipe is all about fresh, simple flavors. The tender grilled chicken and smoky romaine hearts are perfectly complemented by a light, zesty vinaigrette. It's a satisfying and healthy meal that comes together in minutes. Yields: 2 servings. Prep time: 10 minutes. Cook time: 15 minutes. Ingredients: for the salad, 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 romaine hearts, halved lengthwise, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and black pepper to taste, 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 1/4 cup cucumber, diced, 1/4 cup red onion, thinly sliced for the lemon vinaigrette, 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 clove garlic, minced salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions: prepare the chicken. Preheat your grill or grill pan to medium-high heat. Pat the chicken breasts dry and rub them with 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil. Season generously with salt and pepper. Grill the chicken. Place the chicken on the grill and cook for 6 to 8 minutes per side, or until cooked through and no longer pink in the center. Once done, remove from the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing. Grill the romaine. While the chicken rests, brush the cut side of the romaine hearts with the remaining olive oil and season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Place them cut side down on the grill for 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see light grill marks. Make the vinaigrette. In a small bowl, whisk together all the ingredients for the lemon vinaigrette until well combined. Assemble the salad. Arrange the grilled romaine hearts on a plate. Top with sliced chicken, cherry tomatoes, diced cucumber, and red onion. Drizzle generously with the vinaigrette before serving. Side dish: lemon roasted asparagus. This simple side adds a pop of color and flavor that complements the salad perfectly. Ingredients: 1 bunch of asparagus, tough ends trimmed, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 lemon, thinly sliced, salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions: prepare the asparagus. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. On a baking sheet, toss the asparagus with olive oil, salt and pepper. Arrange the lemon slices among the asparagus. Roast. Roast for 10 to 15 minutes or until the asparagus is tender crisp. Serve hot alongside your salad.